Hello, Sujail, and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya, and today I want to share with you information that you might find useful to actually boost the traffic to your website. The only thing that I'm asking in return is for your feedback. So let me know what you think about the video. So I'm going to be covering content, the Google Business Profile, and backlinks. So let's start with your website. I actually had a very good look at your website, and I can say that it is well laid out and it has a lot of good content. So you have the click to call button, you have very nice pictures, links to the packages that you have, description of the services that you have, and a little gallery over there, the testimonials and review. Things that you could do to improve the user experience is perhaps add a contact us form so it's just making it very easy for anyone using a mobile phone to reach out to you. But in general terms, it is well done in that area. You have 480 words of content, and content is important because through content is that you're able to push through more relevant buyer intent keywords so that Google can find you for those keywords and can rank you at the top. I had a look at two of your competitors. So this company, the Little Gatherings, they have 154 words, and Palm Beach Picnics, they have around 95 words. So that's definitely an area where you are outbidding your competitors. And when I came here to the Google search and I type in Miami Picnic Company, I realized that you are on the second position. I actually think that yesterday I ran it and I noticed that you were running Google Ads, but not sure why it's not showing. Google Ads are really good at driving traffic, but they can be very expensive if they're not done correctly. Now, you are ranking on the second position for the GBP or Google Business Profile. And to rank at the top or to rank in these positions, you need three things. You need optimize uh, and geotag pictures, you need reviews, and you also need citations. And a citation is anywhere your business is listed on a directory, and the name, address, and phone number need to match those of your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details and you can rank and ideally rank at the top. So I noticed that these guys have less pictures, they have less reviews, but they are ranking at the top. So that's something that you can actually look into. Another thing is important, two things is that Google wants to see that you're interacting with your customers, so replying to those reviews and replying to them is important. And also when you actually post in Facebook and on Instagram, just make sure that you're also posting in your Google Business Profile, and make sure that those pictures are optimized and are geotagged. Now you are ranking at the top of the Google Business Profile for Miami. I also had a look at Fort Lauderdale and West Palm Beach. So in Fort Lauderdale, which is another area that you serve, that's where I found the Little Gatherings. And in West Palm Beach is where I found Palm Beach Picnics. Well, it's not even West Palm Beach, but this is the company that is appearing for that particular search. So let's go back to the Miami search. To rank at the top, you need something that we call backlinks. So first, your website needs to be found. So I use a tool called Ahrefs, and this tool allows me to analyze the back end of a website. Your website first needs to be found for the relevant content because Google wants to provide the most relevant result to its users. But you also need something that is called backlinks, and a backlink is a link on an external website that is directing traffic towards your website. So you have two backlinks in one external website. If I have a look at the Little Gatherings, they have 14 backlinks in 12 external websites. Palm Beach Picnics, they have, oh, it's not showing. They don't have any. They don't have any backlinks in their back. This is their backlink profile. So although you're ranking at the top in Miami, that's an opportunity for there is just to strengthen this backlink profile so that you can defend your position at the top. But let's have a look at the searching for Lauderdale. So they're ranking at the top. So that's also, let me go back to content. So let me just go back here. Your website is being found for 80 organic keywords. So here in this view, I highlighted these keywords, and these keywords show me the volume is the number of times this keyword is searched for per month, and the position in which you are appearing for that particular keyword. So you can see that you are ranking in the top positions for these keywords, but there are some keywords that you perhaps could explore, which is the pop-up picnic Miami and picnic pop-up Miami. Just perhaps include that in when you are describing a package, or just provide that content in your website so that you can also target the people that actually search this way. Now, if I have a look at the little gatherings, these guys are being found for 150 organic keywords, and I had a look at their keywords, and some of them are similar to yours. But there's something that I wanted to perhaps that you can actually think of is since Fort Lauderdale is another area that you serve, you can think of including service pages to your website, one for Fort Lauderdale and another one for West Palm Beach, and build that content so that you can also rank in the top positions for these two service areas. And also thinking that you have packages, let me just go here, packages for kids and bachelorettes and marriage proposals. You could also think of targeting not necessarily keywords that include the word picnic, but for example, um, um, yeah, proposal. Uh, I saw one that is Miami proposal ideas or Miami proposal event. So things like that, other audiences that are not necessarily the ones that are searching for a picnic setup. Um, so I hope that you like this video. So just to recap, we cover content. You could perhaps think of including two service pages for Fort Lauderdale and West Palm Beach. We cover the GBP. Just make sure that you are posting also in your GBP profile using optimized and geotag pictures. And we covered backlinks and just to strengthen that backlink profile. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.